If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat not adding friends problem, you've come to the right place. So let's open our Snapchat and we'll open our chat folder. And if we try to search for some guys in the left top corner by clicking on search, we can now search for Jack, for example. It doesn't matter basically. And we can easily try to add him as a friend. And as you can see, everything is working as for me. But sometimes we can reach problems like something went wrong, try again later, some errors or do some other stuff. So how can we try to fix this problem? Firstly, I suggest you to close the Snapchat and then go to App Store or Google Play. And here search for Snapchat directly. So we need to search for Snapchat and open their profile page with their app. And make sure that you have the latest version, so click on upgrade or update if you have this feature. As you can see, I have the latest version. Maybe that's why I can add friends on Snapchat without any problems. And the other way of why can we reach this problem, how can we fix it, we need to click on our avatar in the left top corner right up here and then go to my friends folder. So as you can see, everyone has a limit of friends he can add on their account. And sometimes if you have a lot of friends, as you can see, I have like only 10 or 50 friends. So I don't have this problem, but sometimes people have too much friends and they won't be able to add anyone. So in order to fix it, they need to follow the next step. So we need to find some guy we don't want to be friends with. Then we need to click on him and then just click on manage friendship and then just remove this friend. So after that, this friend will be automatically removed and we'll have one more slot for friends in our friends list. So after that, we can easily go to search, try to search for Jack, for some guy basically, and then we can easily add them. So this is the easiest and the most common reason why people have this problem and why can't they add friends on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.